you got the new DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and you don't know how to get started. Don't worry, I got you. Let's unbox this together while I tell you how to get started with your new DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I got this with the SD card. It comes separate. You need to buy this separately for this as well. Unbox.
User guide.
That's the Pocket 3 itself. That's the battery handle. I'm just going to bring out all the different components and we are going to look at all these components and how to use them in more details. So these are all the components that comes with the creator combo, and these are the names of all the different components. Now let's talk about inserting the SD card into the Pocket 3. You need to ensure that this part of the SD card is facing upwards, and then you just insert it in, push it in, and it's once it clips, you know that it's well inserted. And if you want to take it out, you just need to push it in and it comes out just like you would do your SIM card on your phone. Now we are going to dive deeper into how to use these different components. Once you unbox your device, the first thing you want to do is to charge the battery handle as well as the wireless mic and the Pocket 3. If it's charging, you would see the green light showing, and the creator combo comes with a Type-C charger which you can use to charge it. To insert the extended handle, there is a spot for you to easily insert it, and if you want to take it out, you just need to press on the middle button and it comes off easily. It also has an opening for the tripod, which you can just insert the tripod, attach the tripod to the extended handle, and then attach the Pocket 3 to the extended handle as well. That way the Pocket 3 would have balance and you can keep it on any flat surface or even on the table while you are vlogging. It's just really portable and easy to use. Now let's talk about the battery handle. I like the fact that the creators combo came with an extra battery, which reduces the risk of you running out of power when you are vlogging. So take for instance, if you are vlogging and your Pocket 3 battery is down, instead of you to stop vlogging just to charge the Pocket 3, you can just attach the battery handle to the Pocket 3 and it will be charging the Pocket 3 while you are vlogging. And to remove it is easy. You just press the middle button and remove it. We also have the wide lens. The wide lens is very easy to insert. It's magnetic, so all you just need to do is to place it on the lens and it just clips. It makes it very easy for you to use, which is very good. And then we also have the wireless mic. The wireless mic is wireless, you don't need to connect a transmitter to the Pocket 3 itself. You can just use it remotely. And then it also has the wind shield, which you can use when you are outside, and if it's windy, it will help shield the noise from the wind. The wireless mic also have a magnetic clip which you can use to clip the mic to your clothes, and it's not gonna rumple the clothes, it's just gonna sit pretty. Next up is the protective handle. The protective handle has a storage space for you to store the magnet, the wide lens, and it's always advisable to always put your pocket tray into the protective handle to keep it safe. Also note that the gimbal can easily rotate and expose the lens of the camera, so always ensure that the lens of the camera is covered and well protected. And finally, we have the carrying bag, which is also very portable. You can store all these components into the carrying bag. And we have, let's dive deeper into how to use the pocket tray itself. To switch on this device, you can do that by holding on to the power button and it will switch on, and holding on to the power button and it will turn off. Or you can just flip the screen and it will automatically come up, or you flip it back. Once you flip it back, you have 2 seconds to touch the screen if you want to continue recording in portrait mode, otherwise it's going to automatically turn off. Now, another feature that you need to take note of is the joystick. You can do a lot of things with the joystick. For instance, when you hold on to the joystick and then you are moving the gimbal, it would stabilize the image in the center. That way your footage will still be centralized. Also, you can also use the joystick to move the gimbal to the left to capture something on the left or on the right hand side. And if you want to recenter the gimbal, you just need to double click on the joystick and it will recenter the gimbal. Now, if you want to turn the gimbal, you can click on the joystick 3 times and it will turn. If you click on the joystick 3 times again, it would turn back. On the left hand side of the screen, if you click on the camera looking icon there, you will see the different capture mode that there is. There is the photo mode, there is the video mode, there is the low light mode, the slow mode. You just choose which one you want to do. For instance, if you choose the video mode, it's important that you change the resolution to 4K at 30 frames per second. The default is usually 1080, so you can change that to get better view. Now, when you swipe to the left hand corner side, there are different advanced features there. If you're someone who is very good with color grading, you can change the color to the D-log mode. But if you are not good with color grading and all that, just leave it at the default mode. It still gives a nice footage. Now, when you swipe down from up, there are different icons there that serves for different purposes, which you can just have a look at and play around with. Rotational speed refers to how fast you want the gimbal to move when you are moving. The default is always better, but you can change it to slow if you want. You can change it to fast. And then there is also the landscape and portrait mode if you want to lock the screen to shoot on a particular way. The rotate and shoot option means that if whenever you flip the screen, it will automatically start recording. Some people don't like that feature, some people like it. Let me turn it on so that you see how it works. So now once I flip the screen, it starts recording immediately without me having to press record. So if you don't want the video that just recorded, you can hold on to the power button and it will delete the video automatically. The setting icon at the bottom left is where you can make a lot of changes on how the device would perform. Now I'll show us how to connect the wireless mic to the pocket tray itself. So once you get your wireless mic, you power on the wireless mic by pressing on the power button. The blue lights will come up And once the blue light is up, you can now press the link button at the top. And once you see the green thing on the screen, it shows that the mic 2 has been connected to the Pocket tray itself. And you can just record using the button on the other side of the mic from the wireless mic. So you can record from the wireless mic remotely. You don't need to um, record from the Pocket tray itself. And if you want to activate the noise cancellation, you just press on the power button and it will activate it. Also, when you swipe from the left side of the screen, you can see your previous recordings. And that's it about getting started with the Osmo Pocket Tray. This device is very intuitive and easy to use. So if you just play around with it for a while, I think you'll get a hang of it. Pro tip: do you know that you can actually use the protective handle as a mic holder? So once you clip the mic to the protective handle, then you can just hold it, and while you're making your video, it's just convenient to hold it and talk. Finally, to get the best out of this device, you need to download the Osmo app. So to download it, you can just scan the QR code in the device, or you can just go to your app store and search for the DJI Mimo app. I think that's what's called. And then you just connect your device to the app, and that's the easiest way to download your videos from the app once it's connected. And then you can also use the app to control the movement of the camera itself. So you can see I've activated the active tracking from my phone, and you can see how the gimbal is moving. It's following me anywhere I'm going. It's tracking me. This is one cool feature that the Pocket Tray has as well, which is very good. So it's just like you have a cameraman following you everywhere. Honestly, I think this device is worth the hype. It has a lot of intelligent features and it's very intuitive and easy to use.
Hope you learned one or two things from this video. Watch out for part 2. I'm going to give my honest review on this device after some few months. Thanks for watching. Bye.